So AI Build was founded in 2015 by myself and Michael Desilas. We are architects by background. The reason we founded AI Build was to make additive manufacturing more accessible.
Which is why we developed AI Sync, our AM platform for robotic and gantry 3D printing systems. AI Sync is 100% AM focused, designed to automate advanced toolpath generation and provide powerful reporting and analytics.
Our purpose is to create instructions for machines to actually, in an efficient way, in a sustainable way, produce these parts. What we are really focusing on at AI Build is making it larger format for industrial applications. And it's really becoming a core part of the factory of the future.
So businesses are using additive manufacturing because of the speed it enables them to customize products on the fly and to get results very quickly. One of the biggest challenges is that any error can force you to throw away the part that you've made. AI Build is trying to help prevent that problem from occurring at that 90th hour by using AI to detect the errors and quickly intervene to prevent it from manifesting in the part.
Most of the industries we're working with are using them around, I'll call it tooling in general, but whether that's production aids, jigs, fixtures, patterns, manufacture, traditional manufacturing methods like subtractive machining, etc. A tool can take 6 weeks, 7 weeks to create, and then it needs to be shipped around and moved to those locations. With 3D printing, you can actually print that part where you need it. There's a sustainability aspect of it as well, around the kind of use of material.
Having worked with AI Build right from the start when the company was founded, it's great to be working with them as they move forward and the industry evolves and moves into other areas and other industry sectors. So AI Build have had various models of robot from KUKA. Agilist robots, they've had Cybertechs, Quantex, but now they're going to have an Iron Tech as well. So they've had the whole range of KUKA robots that they can utilize with their systems.
There is so many disruptions which have happened to the global distribution of goods, and the ability to do your manufacturing in the locations where you need it means you can share this material wherever you need it.
It can be applied to different materials such as plastics, metals, concrete, polyurethane foam. Today we are working with metal 3D printer companies, so that's opening up a completely new market and new applications for our company to offer a fully automated, sustainable, repeatable manufacturing process for the end customers.
What was very much a trial and error process and very much driven manually, we completely automate that process and essentially collapse the time to build a toolpath by around 86%.
Partners are extremely important to us, so aside from KUKA, we also work with extruder manufacturers, and that would include Weber, Seed, Massive Dimensions, Dyes, Meltio and 2KM. Our partners help us innovate and we help our partners innovate. It's a symbiotic relationship.
So we have been working with KUKA since the very beginning. In 2015, KUKA was our first hardware partner. There was a perfect technical match, but also the team. KUKA has an excellent service, countrywide, also helping our customers. So that was for us one of the main reasons we chose to work with KUKA Robotics.
AI Build is a great example of how the KUKA System Partner Program should work. AI Sync software integrates seamlessly with KUKA robots. And having worked with the company since it started, we look forward to working with AI Build for many years to come.
Industrial intelligence.